Magkano ba dapat yung kailangan mo o how much do you need to retire comfortably dito sa Philippines? Okay, tara, let's compute. So I have two ways on computing retirement fund. Number one is you want to know how much yung gusto mong i-enjoy per month kapag nag-retire ka na. For example, you want to retire at the age 60 and the average lifespan ng isang individual is up to 80 years old and you want to enjoy 50,000 per month. So let's say 50,000 times gawin natin siyang annually, that is 600,000 and you want to enjoy it for 20 years. So that is 12 million. So it means you need 12 million to enjoy 50,000 monthly for your retirement in a span ng 20 years up to 80 years old. Ang gagawin mo lang dito is ilagay siya sa isang bank kung saan doon ka mag-withdraw ng 50,000 per month. So itong second way naman is ganun din, you want to determine how much yung gusto mong enjoy per month. So let's say 50,000, gawin natin siyang annually, that is 600,000. And ngayon, i-divide naman natin siya for example to 5%. And 12 million din yung lumabas. Pero what's the idea here? Yung 12 million nito, hahanap ka ng isang investment platform or investment vehicle kung saan nagbibigay sila ng 5% annual return. So ang gagawin mo, i-invest mo yung 12 million and yung profit na 5% which is yung 600,000 annually, yun na yung i-withdraw mo. So makakapag-enjoy ka pa rin ng 50,000 monthly. Ang difference nga lang, yung unang way natin is i-enjoy mo na lahat ng retirement fund mo versus i-invest mo siya and yung i-enjoy mo is yung profit dun sa investments.